Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make $1,700 in 9 days, doing a very simple method. With this method guys, I will show you exactly step by step how you can make this cash, working some minutes daily. Everyone can do it. Everyone can start even today, and everyone can make money even today. Okay, all you have to do is take action and do this very simple work. Okay, so before will start, I will show you my proof from this system, so you can see exactly that I really make money from this system. You can see here $1,700 in the last 9 days, and of course you can do it too. Okay, so let's start. Okay, basically, if you want to make money online, you need a product. Okay, you need something to sell online. A product you can found on Fiverr, or you can searching for a product on SEO Clark, or let me show you exactly what I mean. You can go, let's say, bagbunk.com, and you can download any product you want. It's free. Okay, you have to make some searching for a good product. You can see here business, marketing, health. Okay, you can find unlimited product, very good product you can download, and you can sell this product. Okay, you can download from this website for free, and you can sell this product for let's say $5 or $10. Okay, it's depend to you. You can choose the price, and you can sell this product again and again and again. Okay, if you want more website like this, you can go to Google and type PLR free product. Okay, you will find unlimited website that you can download free product, and you can sell it. Okay, so how this work? When you download the product, you have to make a landing page like this. Okay, don't worry about the landing page or about the sell page. I will give you everything for free, so you can use it for free. Okay, so basically on this sales page, I have a product that I download from a PLR. Sorry. Okay, so I download one product from PLR website, and I make around this product a sales page like this, and the video and the title, catchy title. Okay, and I make here a price. Okay, you can see I add to cart, so I can receive the cash. Okay, so basically you have to make a sales page, a convert sales page, and all you have to do is promote your sales page. Now, I will give you this sales page. I know maybe you don't have a domain and maybe you don't have a host. So I will show you how you can use this sales page for free and how you can make money from this sales page for free and how you can make 1,700 like I did from this sales page. Okay, so please visit, you can see in the top 5k makingmoneyacademy.net. Please visit this domain and you will get this page. And then you can see here in the bottom affiliate program. Okay, you can see affiliate program. So all you have to do is visit affiliate program and you will get this page. Okay, so you will earn 100% commission when you sell this product. Okay, for every sale you will get 9.99 cent. Okay, $10, almost $10 for every sale. That's mean 100% commission. Okay. Okay, so how to join this affiliate program? You need a PaySpree account. Okay, you can go here, you can see here, you can visit and make a PaySpree account. It's for free. Everyone can make an account with PaySpree, and all you have to do when you finish to make your account on payspree.com, you have to get your username, and all you have to do is put your username here. Okay, you have to delete all this red username. Okay, and put your username here. I will show you exactly. I will copy this. Okay, so this is the link. All you have to do is delete this and put your username. Okay, so my username, for example, this is my username. Okay, and all you have to do is promote this link, but you have to put your username. Okay, you have to delete this and put your username. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the link. All you have to do is delete this username and put your Payspree username. Now you have to get traffic. I will show you two ways to get traffic. I will show you free traffic and will show you paid traffic so you can get unlimited commission on autopilot. So one of this free traffic, you can visit Making Money Academy. You can get this page. You will get this page. You can find here unlimited free traffic. Okay, free solo ad traffic. So all you have to do is put your link and sell and send your link and get free traffic. This is fantastic to get free traffic. And paid traffic you can use here. You can find some paid traffic website that you can use to promote your affiliate link. I tested unlimited website traffic online, and one of the basically 3 websites that I think this is the best traffic website is Safe Traffic Rotator. You can visit. You will get safetrafficrotator.com. This is one of the best traffic. All you have to do is put your name, your email, your site, your URL, your site. This is okay. This is the link you have to put and get unlimited traffic. Paid traffic number 2. You can see here turbo website traffic. Let's visit so you can see this website. Okay, you can get real traffic, and it's fantastic to get paid traffic, and the reason you can make money while you're sleeping. You don't have to work. All you have to do is get traffic and make a commission daily without doing nothing. Okay. Traffic source number 3 is traffic cache list. You will get this website, and you can promote your site, your affiliate link, and get a commission daily. This is 3 top traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link. This affiliate link, remember, okay? This affiliate link with your username, okay? Very important. You have to put your Pastry username and promote the link using your Pastry user name. There is more free traffic that you can use. I recommend to use a hotlist mailer, your viral traffic, a 10x mailer, your viral mailer, a 100% mailer. Okay, this is a free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. And if you want an autopilot commission, you can use 3 website, Safe Traffic Rotator, Turbo Website Traffic, and Traffic Cache List. So you will get a commission daily. Okay, so the point is very clear, I think. You need a product. You have to make around the product a sales page, a convert title, video proof, and add to cart so you can receive a commission. If you don't have a domain or a host, so you can use mine, and you can earn a commission daily. Okay, so very important, if you want to make money online, you have to take action. Okay, now you know a new method that you can use it, that you can make money from this method. Use it, you can use it, you can make money. I know that you can make money, and the reason, if I can do it, you can do it too. If I can make money from this method, you can make money too. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone to make money online. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be happy and appreciate that if you can share this video with your friend. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.